Hello everyone. Today we will learn about action questions. What, when, why, where, how. Let's get started. What? What are you doing? I'm reading a book. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. What is she doing? She's cooking dinner. What is she doing? She's cooking dinner. What is he doing? He's cleaning the room. What is he doing? He's cleaning the room. What are you making? I'm making a sandwich. What is she writing? She's writing a letter. What are they building? They're building a house. What is he painting? He's painting a picture. What are you eating? I'm eating an apple. What is she washing? She's washing the dishes. Where? Where are you running? I'm running in the park. Where is she working? She's working at school. Where are they playing? They're playing in the yard. Where is he sitting? He's sitting on the chair. Where are you going? I'm going to the shop. Where is she dancing? She's dancing on the stage. Where are they swimming? They're swimming in the pool. Where is he studying? He's studying at the library. Where are you waiting? I'm waiting at the bus stop. Where is she singing? She's singing in the hall. When? When are you eating? I'm eating at 7 o'clock. When is she sleeping? She's sleeping now. When are they coming? They're coming tomorrow. When is he running? He's running this morning. When are you cleaning? I'm cleaning in the afternoon. When is she leaving? She's leaving tonight. When are they starting? They're starting at 9. When is he arriving? He's arriving next week. When are you playing? I'm playing after school. When is she going home? She's going home at 5. Why? Why are you shouting? Because I'm scared. Why is she crying? Because she's sad. Why are they laughing? Because it's funny. Why is he running? Because he's late. Why are you smiling? Because I'm happy. Why is she jumping? Because she's excited. Why are they clapping? Because it's great. Why is he standing? Because he's waiting. Why are you writing? Because it's homework. Why is she reading? Because she likes it. Who? Who is singing? My sister is singing. Who is running? The boy is running. Who is cooking? My mom is cooking. Who is cleaning? Dad is cleaning. Who is dancing? The children are dancing. Who is painting? The artist is painting. Who is reading? The teacher is reading. Who is jumping? The kids are jumping. Who is sleeping? The baby is sleeping. Who is helping? My friend is helping. How? How are you running? I'm running fast. How is she working? She's working hard. How are they playing? They're playing together. How is he swimming? He's swimming slowly. How are you cooking? I'm cooking carefully. How is she singing? She's singing beautifully. How are they dancing? They're dancing happily. How is he drawing? He's drawing neatly. How are you climbing? I'm climbing carefully. How is she walking? She's walking slowly. What? What are you cutting? I'm cutting paper. What is she fixing? She's fixing the bike. What are they carrying? They're carrying boxes. What is he opening? He's opening the window. What are you closing? I'm closing the door. What is she sewing? She's sewing a dress. What are they planting? They're planting trees. What is he drawing? He's drawing a cat. Where? Where are you sitting? I'm sitting on the floor. Where is she sleeping? She's sleeping on the sofa. Where are they standing? They're standing in line. Where is he climbing? He's climbing the ladder. Where are you shopping? I'm shopping at the mall. Where is she playing? She's playing in the garden. Where are they dancing? They're dancing at the party. Where is he fishing? He's fishing in the river. When? When are you writing? I'm writing now. When is she running? She's running tomorrow. When are they meeting? They're meeting tonight. When is he coming? He's coming next Monday. When are you leaving? I'm leaving soon. When is she starting? She's starting next week. When are they cleaning? They're cleaning today. When is he going home? He's going home now. Why? Why are you sitting? Because I'm tired. Why is she standing? Because she's waiting. Why are they sleeping? Because they're tired. Why is he smiling? Because he's happy. Why are you running? Because I'm in a hurry. Why is she drawing? Because she loves art. Why are they shouting? Because they're excited. Why is he clapping? Because it's good. Who? Who is jumping? My brother is jumping. Who is painting? My friend is painting. Who is helping? My sister is helping. Who is laughing? The kids are laughing. Who is working? The teacher is working. Who is eating? The baby is eating. Who is swimming? My father is swimming. Who is climbing? My cousin is climbing.